The main products of our company are photocells, and the representative products can be simply divided into three categories. The first one is wear-in photocell. Lamp holder photocell, such as JL103, JL104, JL401, JL428, JL301. And the second is Nema socket, tri-slot photocell, shutting cap, base, cover, smart photocell, such as JL200X, JL240XB, JL240XA, JL205, JL208, JL241J, GL245. The third is Zhaga Book 18 products. Zhaga socket, Zhaga base, cover, dust cover, Zhaga photocell, such as JL700, JL701J, Zhaga series cover, JL7018, and Stella. The above are some of our representative products. If you are interested in their products, please contact us. Bye bye.